y'all. As you can tell from the title of this video, today is all about making our fire pit area. So if you want to see how I did it, hit that subscribe button and keep on watching. This is the massive pile of pea stone. We got a 1/4 inch pea stone. This is what it looks like. Little teeny tiny pebbles. And this is going to go in the fire pit area. It's kind of like a filler for the flagstone. So I'll show you guys that. And we're going to put all of this. In here. So we've laid out the landscaping fabric and the plan of how we wanted all of our flagstones. It took us a couple of hours yesterday to lay it all out. And then all of the pea stone is gonna go in between and really fill up this whole space. But first we have to get landscape edging to put around the outside edge so that the rocks don't carry into our grass, because I don't want to make any problems with mowing the lawn. And then if we have enough left over, we're gonna put a couple more of these square bricks down. And then we might fill in this area a little bit too with the pea stone as well to make sure that everything's nice and level, because this is where the hot tub is going to go. In this little romantic corner over here with the ivy and the trees and everything. So we're probably going to set up some lights kind of up above here, probably string them around so that it looks really nice. And then you have the fire area there. And then this whole run right here, back here, is going to be like the play area. So we're going to have like a little mini putt thing and, like, you know, ring toss or cornhole or whatever you want, a beanbag toss, whatever you call it. And then the old fire pit, I wanted to show you guys this. The old fire pit that we put some grass seed down in is growing little grass babies. I hope you can see them. They're little teeny tiny sprigs of grass growing. I'm so excited. This is where the new dining tent is gonna go whenever we get that from Home Depot. It's on back order right now. I'm waiting for it to be shipped. So that'll be cool. So this whole set here is gonna be without the umbrella, and it'll be underneath a mesh tent. So I'll get back to you guys when the hubby gets home and we can start to move all of this into the back. Hello friends. So today I wanted to give you a little bit of an update. It is the next day. My camera card became full and I didn't notice, so I didn't get a lot of everything that we did yesterday, but I'll give you a quick peek and run you through everything that we did, and then I'm gonna continue today. So here we go. So this is what we have done so far. Let's see. There we go. So as you can see, we've put in a bunch of the pea stone in between all of the flagstone and tried to level them out as best we could. And then we started putting in the landscape edging, which is a pain in the butt. I highly suggest to anybody who's going to be doing a project like this, or a garden, or anything like that where you want edging in, to get the no dig kind, because I don't have any special tools or anything like that. I tried using a shovel and it sucked. It was really hard, so we've actually just been scoring out the ground with a hammer and a small pry bar. But so I've got all of this starting there and going in to the ground all the way around, and I have to continue from about here and stick the rest of it into the ground. So that is what I'm going to do today. So buckle up. So here it is, all finished. Wanted to show you guys the whole thing, all done. So there we have it. All of the edging is in, all of the pea stone is in. It's looking pretty good. Pretty proud of myself. Couldn't have done it without the help of the hubby. So, to end out this video, I wanted to set up the fire pit that we got so that I can completely finish the whole fire pit area. So let's do an unboxing. Of course, it's a freaking 10 mil. I hope you guys liked watching me put all this stuff together. It was a lot of fun and I'm so stoked to be able to use it now. So get out of here so I can have my friends over.
Alright fam, that's today's video. Come back next week for the next one. Comments down